Mercedes girl, you are always so fashionable. You look so great. And we have so much to celebrate together. You have had an unstoppable 2025. PWI #1 Women's Wrestler of the Year. Sports Illustrated #1 Wrestler of the Year. You've gone from country to country, company to company. You've been racking up those championships, and you are now Ulta Mone. And because of you, I've had to dig deep to get my TBS championship back. But I am, once more, the face of TBS! So let's cut some cake and have a great time, Mercedes.
Mercedes not doing well.
No, Mercedes did not seem like she's in the mood to celebrate us.
Oh, God.
Harley just trying to inject some levity. Oh! Mercedes. Face first into the cake. And wait a second, Willow! Oh, the cake!
Not the cake. What a freaking scene.
Things going from bad to worse for the CEO, the former